Google Classroom just leveled up again. This is pretty exciting news for today's classroom because it's about video. Google Classroom's new built-in recording feature allows teachers and students to record up to 5 minutes of audio, video, or screen capture directly within assignments, announcements, and as feedback comments to students' work. Students have this tool as well. This eliminates in many cases the need to use other apps or websites to record, and everything's automatically saved to Google Drive. So let me show you this from the teacher side first. The tool lives in the stream and you will see it when you click on New Announcement, and it is right here, this dot that says record when you hover over it. Once you click the dot, you can choose between recording audio, recording video, or doing a screen record. So now we're in assignments, and the ability to add video or audio instructions with each assignment adds that extra bit of clarity that some students need. This example shows audio instructions that I added to a set of directions that I recorded using this button. This is where it lives, so if you don't see it, you might have to scroll down a little bit. And there's the same 3 choices that we saw in the stream. You can also use this new AV tool to give feedback to students in grading. In some cases, that may make the process faster, and it can offer greater clarity to students as well. Here is where you would normally be giving a typed comment, but now there is the option to add an audio comment, a video comment, or even a screen share. As a side note, there's no video editor as a part of this tool, so if video editing is your goal, you will need to use other software to do it. But this little tool is perfect for a one-take, quick, and effective recording. Now let's talk about how students might use this new tool. Students can record a reflection on their learning, or they can explain their work. They can record themselves reading out loud for fluency, act out a reader's theater, retell a story. Younger learners could record themselves counting to 100 or counting by 5s. Now I'm signed in as a student, and students have access to record when they open an assignment. And here again are the audio directions that I recorded for this particular assignment as a teacher. As a student, when I want to add something to my work here, I just click that Add and Create button and go down and choose the method that I want to use to record. So each time this can be a part of the assignment. If you as a teacher allow students to post comments in the stream, they will have that option to record there as well. So when they click on New Announcement, they will see the record button as well, and again have those 3 choices: audio, video, or screen record. As far as graded work goes, the student clicks on the assignment. It does say graded here. When they click View Instructions, they will see not only their work, their graded work, but also the teacher's private comment, which in this case was an audio recording. The student can reply to that, but they do not have the option here to add a video or audio recording back, just a typed comment. And that's really it. So have a great day, everybody. And remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.